Every 2 years at Scotch, boys in the Year 9 and 10 Enrichment Programme are invited to apply for the Stanford Pre-Collegiate International Institutes. This is a 2-week residential program designed for intellectually curious and talented students from across the world who come together and share a snapshot of the exciting academic, social and cultural aspects of Stanford University. The academic workshops, delivered by experts in their field, are central to the student experience and explore a wide range of topics including artificial intelligence, entrepreneurship, molecular biology and many more.
Something that really amazed me was how Stanford and the Silicon Valley is a massive area of innovation and change in the world, and I thought that was really interesting.
One thing I really liked about Stanford tour is that we get to experience the culture of Stanford and get to know what it's like to be a student at Stanford.
The Global Solutions Project gives multi-country teams an authentic opportunity to present their collective vision for an island nation. Each team spends many days wrestling with the economic, geographic, cultural and political dimensions of building a nation under particular constraints and challenges. As a result, friendships are formed and the spirit of international mindedness couldn't be more on show.
My highlight from the Stanford trip was the multicultural exhibition because I was able to communicate and make friends with people from all across the world.
Students come together for numerous social and cultural activities, including a tour of San Francisco, a bike ride across Golden Gate Bridge, a trip to Oracle Stadium for a baseball game, and the opportunity to perform in front of over 400 international students at the multicultural exhibition.
This time, we know we all can stand together.
At Scotch College, we feel strongly that all of our boys are entitled to rigorous, relevant and challenging learning opportunities. For our most academically able students, we aim to provide enrichment and extension beyond the mainstream curriculum and provide a world-class educational experience. We can safely say that our 6-year collaboration with Stanford Pre-Collegiate International Institutes has been central to this goal.
Stanford is a major component of our academic extension program. Our students have a wonderful chance to visit a world-class institution, to experience courses that will broaden their horizons, and one that fits in with our focus of being an internationally focused college. Most importantly, it does promote the value of international thinking and academic extension, two things that we really do value at Scotch.
I'd probably say I'm going to bring back a bit more confidence, putting myself out there a bit more, getting to know people a bit better from all around the world.
Kudos to Stanford.